You need me. You need me because you can't live without me. I am what drives you. I am the engine of your success. Your past, your future, your lifeblood. The world in your hands. I am your tool. I am your day-to-day business. I am your energy. You need me. You need me so much that you will stop at nothing. You go to war. You fill your lungs with filth. You destroy your planet. And all for me.
But we have to. We need to. Should. Right now.
You wag your finger, give stirring speeches, fly away for the weekend for next to nothing, and ease your conscience with CO2 certificates? Pah! You need me to survive. For your industry. For your consumption. So you can drive your world to extinction. And then claim it was all my fault. Is it really all my fault? I have nothing to do with climate change, with the burning of oil and coal, or with deadly radiation, and certainly not with the clearing of the rainforests. The rising sea levels? Don't look at me. You all know it can't go on like this. Something must be done, sooner rather than later. And that's why you are here. Researching, looking for solutions and alternatives, developing new technologies, putting things in motion. There's no limit to your creativity. New ways of dealing with me, transforming me, transporting and storing me, using me. Great, huh? I know it was a hell of a lot of work, but it was worth it. So that the world keeps turning. Of course I can be changed, don't you see? I'm not evil, or good, or anything else. I am only what you make of me. It's your decision. You can use me sustainably, or misuse me short-sightedly. You've got everything you need. The knowledge, the technology, a plan, even a strategy. You just have to put it into action. You can change everything. Never before you had so many opportunities for so much change. Do something. Shape.